Good evening, every one of you. I'm seeing you all here. God bless you. Hi, beautiful people. Thank you. I can see you all. Josephine, Egariva, Franca Okeke, Glory Egwabo. I'm seeing every one of you. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening to you all. Hi, every one of you. Favor, good evening to you. God bless you. Thank you for joining me tonight. Let me reduce the volume or pause the song first. Good evening, every one of you. You're welcome, 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 welcome. I welcome every one of you tonight. God bless you all. Thank you for showing up on this live. I'm sorry for always taking you guys unaware. Due to my kind of schedules, and sometimes I'll just like, okay, I'm gonna do this like this, and sometimes it won't go as planned. I wanted to, talk to some of us or speak to us since few days now to come on live, and so we can, rub minds together. I heard Iyusugi's release. It was not easy for me to really come on live because I was a bit busy in the sense that I had a conference that I was attending that has to do with ministers, and I needed to be fully involved. Coming online a bit distract what I was doing, so I thought I should be done before reaching out to us. Good evening, every one of you. How many of you have seen the song Iyesoge? I know that about some weeks ago, last month, February to be precise, I talked, not February, it was early this month, March. I actually spoke excessively on the manner in which we, treat our mothers, and some of which I have, witness and experience and all that, like witness people do it. This song did not just come because I wanted to do a song like that. And as you all know, and my songs, almost all my songs, directing our attention to God, fully a gospel artist. But I saw a need in this area to speak to us. It was something I wanted to talk to us, but I don't know how to get the audience of every one of us to speak to us on these, issues of taking care of our beloved mothers. And I thought it wise that using music was the fastest tool for me to reach out to every one of us. Music was the fastest tool for me to communicate, my mind and my thoughts to you all in respect to how we treat our parents. Not just only our mothers, but it's just that I have to dedicate this to mothers because I've seen what a lot of mothers go through. If you can attest to it, even your mother, how he or she is taking care of you. And some of you who have lost your beloved mom, I pray may their gentle soul rest in peace. And I pray may the Lord God, comfort you and the rest of the family. Even when they were alive with you, I believe that there are a lot of things you could say about them. Releasing yesterday, I saw a lot of people, dedicating the song to their mother that has gone to be with the Lord. And I really, share in your pains. And I want to say, the Lord God will comfort every one of you. And to us also who still have our mothers around us, please, they don't need to be gone before we now start saying, I wish she's alive, I would have done this, I would have done that. You don't need to have it all to take care of them, to take care of your mother, your parents. You don't need to have it all. Like I said initially, you don't need to build them. Just start from where you are to appreciate them. You could be coming from, at least there are clothes like iTarget or whatever it is that that your money can buy. There are things you can buy with just 2,000 naira. With a sincere heart of love and appreciation of who they are, you give it to them with the gladness of heart. Don't just see Iye Sogie as that song that, let me just do song and just put out there for people to relate with. No, not at all. Not at all. I wrote this song, one, to celebrate all mothers across the globe. Those who are praying tirelessly for the support, the growth, and the success of their children. Those who are the pillars, the backbone of your children, who pray day and night for their children. Those who combine their work to motherhood. Motherhood as a role is a very difficult one, very tasking one. And a lot of these women out there combine work and their role at home together, and yet you still have children who don't appreciate this. So I did this song to celebrate mothers across the globe, starting from my own mom. Most of the things I know today was taught to me by my mom. I remember when we were very, very far younger. We normally do devotion at home every morning. God bless you that day, may you not quick wake up, may you come devotion. Like king, they will say wake you. But at that time, we thought that, they were being harsh on us. But when I grew up to some stage, I now begin to see the importance of what my mother was doing, what my parents was doing, both my mom and my dad. I remember then they will ask us, Princess Osas, my name is also Osayamabo, lead praise. I will lead praise. I started leading praise. What I am doing today, I started it from that devotion at a very tender age. I'm telling you, when I was in my primary school, lead praise. I will have to prepare myself to lead praise so that when they call me to lead praise in the morning for morning devotion, I'll not be given an excuse, because my dad is not going to take excuse from me. My mom is not going to do either. So I will have to learn it. They will, okay, you pray. You pray. They will say it. It was like, it was a responsibility that they were that's something they were passing into us that we didn't know at that time. No matter where you are, your mother is the best thing to you. Don't see other people's mother and wish they were yours. Don't see other people's mom. Celebrate yours. Celebrate your own mother. There is a reason why God made you to come through that woman. I don't want to deviate from what I was telling us. This song, one, is to celebrate mother globally. And I guess you all know that tomorrow is 27th of March, 2022. Tomorrow is 27th of March, 2022. So, that day, and I believe that a lot of us don't even know what that day is Mother's Day. Mother's Day. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. 22nd of March is Mother's Day, which is tomorrow. So you can see that this song for you is timely to celebrate that great woman in your life. And I also told us the other time that it's not only celebrating your own mother. Anybody that is a mother figure in your life, but eventually you don't have a mother again. God bless your heart. There's somebody you now took now as a mother. Take time out tomorrow to celebrate them. Not just tomorrow alone being Mother's Day. Celebrate them always. Your wife, if you're a man, is the mother of your children. She's a mother. Celebrate her on your children's behalf. And again, there's another thing I want to tell us. I want us to enjoy the song a little before I continue. How? Yeah, time. I can see every one of you. I also want to know how you feel about this song. Let me be seeing your comments in the comment section. Let me see, how do you feel about it? And if you've not been treating your mother well, there's no regrets, please. You can start now. It's not too late. It's never too late to be right. So you can start now. So you can tell me how you feel, your observation, everything as regard Iyesogi. You can, let me see your comments. You can speak now by commenting, by writing, and all, why we enjoy this song. I have something nice to tell us. I want to be seeing your comments. And I'm still waiting for some other people, few people to join us. Give me your gear. Give me the one. Give me your dozen. The way you're the gear. I got when it down the graze. Elizabeth, good afternoon. Prince Charlie, I can see you. Owen Rest, I can see you. Thank you for joining me. So it's not just about I love the song. There's something you can also do. You loving the song is number one. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. And for those of us that are taking time out to share the content on their social media handles, I want to celebrate every one of you. God bless you richly. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Lovers of good things, I want to say God bless you. Thank you for sharing the songs. Thank you for sharing this song on your social media handles. I really, really appreciate it. I'm seeing the response, your comments on the YouTube channel, on my Facebook, on my Instagram is really, really overwhelming. It's massive. It's amazing. I want to say thank you all. Thank you so much. And don't stop. Keep sharing it. It needs to get to some persons. There are persons that have not seen it, that needs to see this song. So you keep sharing. And please, if a song minister to you and brings you, like, kind of give you some kind of value, spread it to other people, to minister to them as well. And again, you can also do well by subscribing to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so yet. And for you that have done that, I want to say thank you. I really appreciate every one of you, and I celebrate you. Again, for Mother's Day tomorrow, wherever you are, whether home or abroad, I'm going to give us a kind of privilege or opportunity. This is something I've not actually done before. And I'm going to be doing it now for the love for mothers, for the love of mothers. And for me to start, celebrating not just only my mother, but also mothers out there. I'm going to be giving opportunity to about 5 persons. And if you want me, genuinely from your heart, and you want me to celebrate your mother tomorrow, being 27th of March, which is Mother's Day, tomorrow Sunday, and I'll stretch it to 28th, which is on Monday. Tomorrow Sunday, and on Monday, which is 27th to 28th of March, which is tomorrow and next tomorrow. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So I want to give opportunity to about 6 persons. You want me to put a call across to your mother to celebrate her on Mother's Day. You can reach out to me. How do you do that? You're going to send me a number on my inbox, your mother's number. If you are with her, you can send me your number, so I'll call. Then you give it to your mother, and I will wish her happy Mother's Day. If you know you want that, and you really want to surprise your mom tomorrow, and you think that when I put that call across, she's going to appreciate it. So I'm going to give that opportunity to about 6 people. So I'll be reaching out to 6 mothers. If you fall in that category and you want me to reach out to your mom to wish her, reach out to me. Reach out to me through my inbox, or there is a number on my Facebook. Okay, let's leave inbox. There's a number on my Facebook. You're going to send me a message through that number. Just say you want me to wish your mother happy Mother's Day. Then you put the number and you put your name, so that I can be able to communicate to the person I am calling that this is who I am calling on his or her behalf. Do you understand? I don't know if you understand it. For the sake of the people that are just coming now, I am saying that I'm giving opportunity to about 6 of us, because tomorrow is Mother's Day, which is 27th of March. I'll be making myself available to wish 6 mothers happy Mother's Day. So I'm going to stretch it till 28th, which is on Monday, day after tomorrow, 27th and 28th. So whether you are in Nigeria or outside Nigeria, wherever you are across the globe, and you see this message, you want me, and you know that your mother will appreciate it, you want me to call her and wish her a happy Mother's Day, please indicate by sending me a message on the phone number on my Facebook page. The number is 090-646-99981. 090-646-99981. So just send me a number, the message on that number on WhatsApp. Write your name and put you want me to wish your mother a happy Mother's Day. And that elapse, this is going to end on the 28th, which is on Monday. Yes, on Monday. We're going to end it. It's just for 27th and 28th. So I'm going to be picking 6 persons, not more than 6 people. So I'm going to be calling 6 people, 6 mothers, and you're going to tell me your name. So when I call your mother, I'm going to say that I'm calling on behalf of so and so person, and she asked me to wish her a happy Mother's Day and tell her that you love her so much. So I know what to do. So the ball is in your court. If you know your mother is going to appreciate it, so you're going to write me on the number I just called via WhatsApp, indicating your name and putting a number that I can use to get across to your mother. And if you're around your mother, you could put your number. So if I call you, you put you pass the phone to your mother. I don't know if you are okay with that. If you're okay with that, so the number I call is what you're going to use so that I can wish them a happy Mother's Day. And again, I would like you to not just only enjoy Iyesogi as a music. I also want you to enjoy the music with your mother. How are you going to do this? Play the song where she is, dance to it, post it on your social media handle, tag me, I'm going to repost, whether on Facebook or Instagram. If you are not around your mother, you could use a picture and use the song to do a motion picture. Then you post it, tag me, then I will repost. You use the picture. If you are around your mother, play this song. If not your mother, even if it's your wife, anybody that is a mother figure around you, play Iyesogi as a song with them. Tag it on, put it on your social media handle. It could be on Facebook, it could be on Instagram. Then tag me. If it could be on TikTok, I'm also on TikTok. So I'm on TikTok with Real Princess Peters, and my Instagram is Real Princess Peters, and my Facebook is Princess Peters. So post it, then tag me, I'm going to repost. If you're not around your mother, peradventure you're outside the country, you're in the US, Canada, Germany, Spain, Italy, France, and so many other countries out there, UK and all, do use Iyesogi, play it, dance to it with your mom, post on your social media, tag me to repost. That is a way to also show that you really love that song, and that song is also a prayer to our mother. So play it to her and celebrate her. I played this song to my mom before it was released, and my brothers were there and some of my sisters and all that. The money we will carry for hand that day, we finish them. We have to spray the woman and spray. She was just dancing and she was so excited. She was so happy. And we sprayed her and all that. That was before, I think that was early this year. Yes. So you could also do the same thing. It could be a gift. Just buy something to celebrate your mother. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. I want to see pictures of your mom. See videos of your mom flying. I want to also see that you take it further. If you have something with you, buy her something as a gift. If you don't have tomorrow, you could do it anytime. But anytime you post it on social media, please tag me. I want to repost it. And again, I'm going to be announcing there's going to be a challenge for Iyesogi. And there are going to be about 3 winners on this challenge. So I don't know if you want me to share that with you now. If you want it, I want to see you say yes. Just comment yes, then I will share it. I'm waiting for you guys. While waiting, let's keep enjoying Iyesoge. Thank you, Tese Gunoba. God bless you. Can I bring any of you on camera? Can I bring you? I'm thinking of bringing somebody. Let me see if I can send invite to you and if you're going to show you. Let's talk. I'm sending invite to Samuel Egari. Is he a male or a female? Well, there's a female picture that is there. That should be a male. Okay, probably we'll do female. Augustina Lopez. Should I send you? Okay. Abigail Desua. I'm going to put you on. I'm going to send you. Okay, let's see anyone that's I want to be on this. Okay, she doesn't want to come on. Okay. Are you saying a yes? I can't see your yes, so please can you write? Let me see your yes. Are you shy? I believe we note what we just said. Some persons are just joining us. And I mentioned that tomorrow being 27th of March is Mother's Day in Nigeria. So, and this song was just timely to celebrate mothers across the globe. I also want to remind us that it is biblical for we to honor, obey, and respect our parents. Ephesians 6:1 say, children, obey your parents in the Lord. He said, for this is right. So say, honor your father and your mother so that your days will be long. He didn't say only father, he said mother. So it is scriptural for you to obey your parents. It is scriptural for you to celebrate them. It is scriptural for you to give to them. It is scriptural for you to honor them. I'm reminding you that it is fashionable for you to celebrate your mother. So tomorrow being the 27th, so I said earlier, if you want me to give a shout out to your mom, to your mother, to your beloved mother, tomorrow 27th to on the 28th of March, which is a Monday. Tomorrow 27th to on the 28th of March, which is a Monday, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, you could send me a message on my WhatsApp line. The number is on my Facebook page, and I also called the number before. The number is 090-646-99981. So tell me that you want me to do a shout out, then you will write your name. If you're around your mother, then I will call you. You can drop your number, then you give the phone to your mom. Then let me celebrate her on your behalf, telling her that you asked me to reach out to her. Understood? So if that is what you want and you know your mom will truly appreciate it, please don't fail to send me a message on that very particular number on WhatsApp. I'm going to do that tomorrow, and it's for only 6 people. I'm going to do it for 6 mothers. Probably I'll be putting a call through towards in the evening. So I'm going to be doing that. If you want me to do it an audio call or a video call, just let me know what you want. Then write it to me on my WhatsApp on that number, and that number that I called. Just write your name. So when I call your mom or your mother, I will tell her this is who asked me to call you, and he or she want me to wish you happy Mother's Day and all that. And I will tell her so many good things that you were unable to tell her. So even send me the message or whatever you want me to tell her. So I'm going to pass it to her on your behalf. This is something I've not actually done, but I want to do it because I did this song to celebrate mothers all across the globe. If you are in Nigeria, you're around your mother, then you can drop your own number. If you are not in Nigeria, maybe you're outside the country and you know that your mother will appreciate it, just send me a message on that line or that number that I called. Put your name, put the number I can use to reach her, then I'll put a call through across to her. I'm doing that on the 27th and on the 28th. Only 6 people. So I'm going to pick. So you have to start sending your message. So I'm going to pick 6 persons. Then I'll make it. And when I'm done, I'll still reach out to you that it is done. Understood? And I also make mention about a lot of you. I saw your comments on YouTube channel and on social media, on my Facebook. And I see how you're responding to it. I see your love towards it. I see how you're sharing it. I see the comments and all. And I want to say, God richly bless you. Please, for so many of you who have not done that, please, please, please help do that. Let other people see it. You love it, right? So something that is good, you have to pass it on to other people. There are people that need to see it so that they can learn how to treat their mother right and praise their mother. You understand? So please help share. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can do me a favor by doing that. God richly bless you and do for you what you cannot do for yourself. So that is that. And I also make mention about you want to use the music on your or for a video. You can do it by doing it with your mother, posting it on social media, tag me, whether Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. Then I'm going to repost. My Instagram is Princess Peters. My Facebook is Princess Peters. And my TikTok is Princess Peters. So you can do it and tag me. In case you are not around your mother, you want to use a picture to do a picture video on the song. Why not do it? Tag me. I'm going to repost it. So I'm going to post it on my WhatsApp. So I want to see the video coming. And if you want me to post it direct, you want to send it to my WhatsApp. Why not? Send it to that WhatsApp number. That number that I just called 090-646 99981. So send your message there on WhatsApp. WhatsApp, no call, please. Just WhatsApp only. So I'll respond to you. Thank you all so much. I love and appreciate every one of you. I'm going to play Iyesoge once again before we call it a day. God bless every one of you. Fame Albert, I see you. God bless you. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm sorry for always coming on unannounced. And sometimes it's not something that is being planned. And I just felt the need to want to talk to us. And I did mention that there's going to be a challenge on this music, Iyesoge. And I asked us to give me a yes if you want me to tell you what the challenge is. So give me a yes and I'm going to say it. So I'm not seeing the yes. So if I don't see the yes, I'm going to keep it with me. So let me see. I have said to my lovely people, because I love the music very much. God bless you so much. I celebrate you. God bless you. Thank you for sharing. I really appreciate it. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sandra Pecte said yes. Okay, that's a 1 yes. So I need more yes. I need more yes so that I can mention the challenge. The challenge I'm going to put, somebody's going to win money. That's not really my thing. It's not something that I do. You understand? It's not my thing. But I'm going to do it on Iyesoge. Reason being that I want you to celebrate your mom. And that's why I'm putting a price tag for you to celebrate your mom. She deserves to be celebrated. She deserves it. And that's why I'm also doing it on your behalf tomorrow, be 27th, on Mother's Day. Woo! I'm so excited because a lot of mothers will be saying love. Please, I don't want you to stop there. I want you to continue to do it. And you can also accompany it by buying a gift for her. Buy yourself. Celebrate her. Okay, I'm saying yes, yes, yes. Okay, the yes. Just 5. Just 5. I need more. I need more yes. Not 5 years, no rich. People waiting online. They're many. I'm seeing only 5 years. I don't want 5 years, please. I need more years. Somebody should be counting until we get 20 years. I will not say it. I'm much here now. We want to do a challenge. I want to accompany it with a prize so that we can celebrate our mother. You don't know how I feel when mothers are being treated the way they are treated. If you know the heart of a mother, you will value the song Iyesoge and celebrate the woman in your life. Whether your wife or your mother, whether you still have your mother or not. For those that, for some of us that have lost their mom, I want to say May the Lord God comfort you, and I pray may her soul rest in peace. In Jesus' name, amen. So there's still a mother figure in your life, somebody you also call mother since you don't have mother. So celebrate them. I want to see you do video. I want to see you tag me. I want to see them on your social media handle. I want to see you share it with others. I want to see you celebrate your mom. Okay, the years is coming up small, small. Wow, one person just wrote 3 years. Jonathan, Edith, you only 3. So we'll count your own as 1. We'll count it as 1. We'll not count it as 3. Okay, that yes, that means you want me to actually say the price that is Ajayi John Ivie. Your years come many this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. That's 5 mean grace. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Enogi Akugbe. I can see your yes. Sandra, I miss you too, even though I cannot really tell if we have met, but thank you. It's more than 20 already, and why can't I see it ever? Ever rain? Why can't I see it? God bless you, Juliet Imagbe. I see you there. God bless you. I celebrate you. I celebrate you. I'm also expecting your video, and I want to see it. I want to see it. Okay, we're having, okay, let's just have, my spirit never did satisfied with the yes that I'm saying, so I needed more yes. That's the reason why I'm still holding on. Who said he has lost the mom? Oh, who just mentioned that? I can't see the name. May the Lord comfort you. May our soul rest in peace. So I've seen many years. So the price is going to go like this. We're going to have 3 category of the people that's going to win prize. What are these prize? Should I say it? Sandra said if I can be her mom. I never born. No. Those people, the kind wahala that they carry for children body, don't be small. And Sandra, do you think I can be able to do that? Do you think so? Do you think so? Okay, this is how the challenge is going to go. It's not really a challenge like that. It's just to encourage us. That's it. So I'm going to have you do still what I have mentioned. I'm going to have you do a video with your mother, celebrating her. In short, Shebi, you see that place, wherever you are, they change new money. You don't need to big. Even if na 2,000 naira, change them. If na 1,000 naira, if na 500, if na 200 as your money reach, go meet that woman. Play this song, celebrate her, buy her gifts, then put it on your social media. I want to see that you celebrate that mom. That's why I'm asking you. It's not really like for you to do something to come and show off now. So bring it on social media, tag me. If your mom is not there with you, send a gift to her, then use her picture as a picture video for the song, then put it on social media, then tag me. I'm going to repost. The one with the highest like and highest comment wins. Just like that. So maybe somebody is with the comment of 100, and the one with the highest comment win the first, followed by the second, followed by the third. Then the first person, how much should we give that person? Because I'm going to give that person a cash prize. Not go chop that money. Yeah, use antecedent. You're very correct, Everine. You're very correct. Mothers can't be replaced at all, at all, at all. Somebody can only act on her behalf. Yes, even the mother is a caretaker. So God owns every one of us. That's it. So we've not put price tag. Joy Ago, I celebrate you. God bless you. Sylvia, I celebrate you. God bless you. Thank you for joining me. Please, if you want the music, in case you want the music, you can download it from YouTube. It's on all digital platform. It's on AudioMac, it's on Spotify, it's on Apple. In case you're using iPhone, it's on Apple, it's on Boomplay. Just mention any Tidal and all that. It's on all digital platforms, so you can go there and download it. If you can't go there, so it's on YouTube. The audio is on YouTube, the video is on YouTube, so you can download it. So AudioMac is free, so you can go there, go and download the song. So whichever one suits you, so download it from that place. Do you understand? So that you can be able to maximize it, you can be able to use it to do what you want to do. Okay? So that's for that. So what price? We said we're going to be having 3 category. When we post this video, I'm going to repost. The highest comment wins. The highest comment on my page, or not on your page, because I'm going to repost it. The highest comment on my page, whether on yes, on Facebook, the highest comment on my page. So I'm going to repost, like for instance, Cynthia, Sonia, and Sandra did, or Peter. So we're going to have these 4 people. Then I will repost them on my page. The highest comment on those people on my page and the highest like wins. Then the first one will win like that, then follow suit by the second person and the third person. So we're going to look at them. The one that wins, the highest comment and the highest like will win the prize. So we're going to go this way. The first person that will get the highest comment will win 50,000 naira. The first person will win 50,000 naira. 50,000 naira for the first person. The second person will win 30,000 naira. The second person, 30,000 naira. While the third person will win 20,000 naira. Are we okay? I want to see you say, hey, because the money not big, rich bar. Is it? Let me start this cam. I'm beginning to feel, I'm beginning to sweat. So do you understand? We're doing a challenge. You're going to use Iye Sogi as a song to celebrate your mother. So I want to see you dance with her. If you have money, spray her. If you don't have money, dance with her. If your mother is not around you, you could use a picture for a picture video on the song. Post it on your social media handle. Tag me, I will repost it. Then the person that gets the highest like and comment on my page wins 50,000 naira. The second person, 30,000 naira. Why the third person, 20,000 naira. So your time starts now. So we'll call results. We're going to tell you when we'll be announcing the close. So we're going to do it for like 2 weeks. Then we'll call the winner. The first person, 50,000 naira. Second person, 30,000 naira. The third person, 20,000 naira. The highest comments and highest likes wins, follow suit. That's how it's going to be. And it's going to be on my page. If I repost to my page, the highest person on my page for comments and likes will be the first, followed by the next person. So it's going to be visible for everybody to see. This is not like and then I pick somebody else. No. So everybody's going to be seeing the comments. And we don't also want to see one person commenting 100 times. So we'll not count that. Maybe one person will not comment 200 times just for the person to win. No, it must be different name. So anybody that uses anybody to comment how many times that person is going to forfeit it. It's not going to work. Maybe somebody may just post now. One person will just drop 20 comments and be dropping once so that the comments will increase. That's partial. We don't do that. So the highest comment and the highest like wins. Did you understand? If you understand, just say I understand, or just raise your hand on the comment section. Let me know that you're following me. And don't forget, so I'm doing advert for you now. If you want me to wish your mother a happy Mother's Day, tomorrow 27th till 28th, which is a day after tomorrow, send me a message on WhatsApp The number is on my page. Write your name and the number in which I can reach your mother with. And I will tell your mother that you asked me to wish her happy Mother's Day. So let me celebrate your mother on your behalf. If you know she's going to appreciate it, and I'm picking 6 people for just that, and that ends on the 28th. So if you're in that category, start sending your message now, because I'm going to pick 6 people. I'll be reaching out to 6 mothers tomorrow, which is 27th, Mother's Day, March. Then the following day, 28th, the day after tomorrow, on Monday. So send a message to me on 090-646-99981. Good luck. And to those that are doing the challenge, good luck. I'm going to say write it out so that you don't misquote me. Okay, if you know you understand, let me see your hand up. This challenge involves both male and female. I'm not talking about because male get mother. Male not even for only women. So both male and female, both boy and girl, age notwithstanding. You could be 100, you are part of the challenge. It's not for young people. Everybody needs to participate. You may also do your own, not because of the money. Not because of the money. Just celebrate your mother. Tag me, I'm going to repost it. You almost said Jessica and Sam, what I said, including fake accounts. So they are fake accounts. Like, seriously, how is it fake? Somebody's behind it now. Somebody's operating it, isn't it? Don't go and be creating so many accounts just to get plenty likes and comments. So I'm waiting for your video. Good luck to the winner. The winner, good luck to you. And I might also increase the winner by showing my presence when I'm available around your area, in your house, to say hello to your mom. Do you get that? What if you just see me in your house to come and sing Yesoge for your beloved mom and embrace her? So we're going to take it further. But we must celebrate them while they are still alive with us. If you understand, I want to see your hand up. I'm not seeing people's hand. That means you don't understand me. Should I recap? If you don't understand all I've been saying, can I repeat what I just said? If you want me to repeat it, let me know. My time is almost up. So if you want me to repeat what I just said, so can we enjoy this song together? And you that also have children, and maybe they are very young, you can also do a video with them. You are a mother, celebrate yourself. You don't need somebody to come celebrate you before you celebrate yourself. I think they're easy. To carry belly for 9 months, can't go labor room, go deliver. You think it's easy. Celebrate yourself. I want to see your video with your children, celebrating with them. Tag me, I'm going to post it. You need to celebrate yourself as a mother. It's not easy. It's not easy. So many people go take in, they will go remove them. But you carry them for good 9 months. You go hospital or wherever you deliver, labor room. You delivered safely. Not 1, not 2, not 3. You need to celebrate yourself. Celebrate yourself with this song as a mother and send it, post it on your social media. Tag me, I'm going to repost every video. I'm going to repost it. Just tag me. I'll repost it. And for those up for the challenge, please let it start coming. Okay? And for those that want me to reach out to their mom to wish them happy Mother's Day, reach out to me on that number, only that number. If you write me on my social media handles, I'm not going to answer you. So that's why I provided the number. That number is only for the 6 people that I'm saying, I'm giving a chat at, or reaching out to their mom to wish them a happy Mother's Day. And if your mother's birthday fall in those 2 days, wow, fantastic. Let's do it together. Let's celebrate her together. So I want to see your message on that number I sent to you. Not for the challenge, only for the people. It's only for the people that I'm wishing their mother happy Mother's Day. If your mother is celebrating birthday, wow, we're going to do it together. Do you understand that? So it's going to be fun. Let's make it fun. Let's make it glorious. It's not only serious. It's not only Bible we're going to preach here. So let's still have fun. Do you understand? But we can't take away the Bible, because with that Bible, you for not do, me for not do, even the people who won't celebrate so for not do. So Jesus Christ is Lord. through all this one, and some of you where your mother never born again, if you can't give your life to Christ, things might also change in their life. Some of you that have been complaining, things will turn drastically in their life. So let's keep this. One of the things I love about you and your music is your personal expression, the flow. Omo, you are Gina. Fame. That's just God, oh, not this small picking called Princess Peters. Oh, I don't know anything. Oh, whatever I am doing is God's grace. It's God. It's not me. When I'm there, I'm singing. I'm doing all these things I'm doing is God. It's just God alone. So I give him all the glory. Thank you for celebrating me. I return all glory to God. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I've got the WhatsApp number already. Let somebody help me put it on the comment section. 090 646 999 81. And the number is on my Facebook page. It's on this page. You can go there. Let somebody just write it out for me, please, so that others can see it. People that want me to wish their mother happy Mother's Day on the 27th and 28th, which is tomorrow Sunday and day after tomorrow Monday. That ends. Why the challenge the challenge continue. And for the challenge, the first person win 50,000, the second person 30,000, and the third person 20,000. So I wish you good luck. The highest comments and likes on my page, you will post a video do a video with your mother or with your mother's picture, then bring it on social media, tag me. I'm going to repost the highest like and comment wins the vote. I'm not going to take a reputation of comments on any of them, so that would be disqualification. If there's too much comment from one person, to be disqualification, because we don't like cheating. Don't cheat anybody. This, we just want to make it to be fun, so that every one of us can be carried along, so that we can really celebrate that. That's the essence of doing it. It's not like you need money. It's not like you're a beggar. It's not like we're just looking for hungry people. No. I'm putting this reward just to make us celebrate our mother, okay? So I wish you all good luck. Thank you so much. Aye, Anita. God bless you. God bless you. So we're going to be calling it a day. Thank you all. I really enjoyed this live with you all. So I'm going to play the song again. Let's celebrate our mothers. Let's celebrate our mothers. Yeah, that's so getting a guy. Yeah. Let me put it still here. So because they won't put this here, are you hungry? Oh, yeah. Aha. No, that's all. One thing that I want to tell you, the music is out on all digital platforms. It's on AudioMax, Spotify, Tidal, iTunes, just name them, Boomplay and all. It's also on my YouTube channel. The video and audio is on my YouTube channel. So you can go there. And this video you're watching now, when you're done, there is a link there. Just click on the link. You don't need to go. If you want to go to YouTube, just search Princess Peters. It will take you, or just put Iye Soge by Princess Peters. It will take you straight to my YouTube channel where the video and the audio is. And if you just, for easy access, just click on the link on this video. There's a link on this video. Click on that link. It will take you straight to the video. The audio is also there. So it will take you straight, because somebody is asking here if the video is out on YouTube. Darling, is out on YouTube. And it's been out since yesterday, darling. So where have you been? You don't come late to class. So we want to celebrate my mother, you come late to class. Don't come late to class again. Don't come late to class. So, because very soon when the carry came to the flog late comers. You understand? We're not going to flog anybody. I'm just joking. So the music is already out on my YouTube channel. And please, I want to beg every one of you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. A lot of us are just watching. We just watch this content and all that. We leave. We don't subscribe. Please do so. And I want to also beg you to just click. See, let me bring my YouTube channel on this phone. Let me show you something. If I'm going to see it here, Okay, where's the other phone? Maybe I should do it with this. See what you're going to do. I'm going to open it, then I'll show you something so that you can. Okay, where's YouTube here? Let me go to my channel, Princess Peters. Okay, I actually put this phone on there so that calls will not be coming in. Okay, I'm coming. Please just hold on for me. I'm going to show you something that you need to do. Um, God bless you. Thank you all for taking out your time to join me tonight. Thank you for taking your time to join me. Albert, thank you so much for writing out that number so that they can reach me. Those that want me to wish their mother happy Mother's Day on the 27th, which is Mother's Day tomorrow, and on the 28th of March, I'll be reaching out to 6 mothers. If you want me to do that, please send me, WhatsApp me, just WhatsApp me so that we can WhatsApp together so I can celebrate your mother with you. So I didn't say call me, I say WhatsApp. Send it on WhatsApp, please. I'm going to show us something. Princess Peters. See, I don't know if we're seeing it. Hmm? This is my YouTube channel right now. I'm trying to make us see it. This is my YouTube channel. What you will do is you click on, when you come in there, if you are not subscribed, you click on this red, that subscribe button. You're going to click on it. Let me click on it to subscribe. If you can see it here, just click on it like this. So it is subscribe. You can see this bear here. This bear, they call it notification bear. So what you will do is click this notification. It's going to show you three. It's selling you all personalized and none. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it. So it's showing you all personalized and it's showing you none. So what you're going to do for me is when you click on that bear, click on this all. When you click on this all, there, every video I post is going to come to you. Because I saw somebody asking me if the video is out. So if you subscribe to all, the video is going to come to you. So you can be able to know whenever I post any new video, it's going to send you a notification for you to see the video I post. Do you understand? So when you go to my YouTube channel, just click on subscribe. After you click on, because if you have not subscribed, it will be showing, that subscribe will be showing you red. So don't come and tell me I don't know if I'm subscribed. I'm not sure. It's like I'm sure. No, if it's still showing you red, darling, you've not subscribed. So click on it. So when you click on it and you're subscribed, it will not be showing red. It should be showing something like watermark, like it's not showing red. So you just click on that there. Immediately, you click on all. So when you click on all, anytime I post any new video, it will show you, it will alert you that there's a new video on my YouTube channel. Do you understand it? So that lady asking me question, please. The music is on my YouTube channel, so you could click the link here. And when we're done with this video, I beg you, do me a favor. Go to my YouTube channel. Please help me subscribe. Help me subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's grow together. Let's grow together so that other people can also see the content we put in there. You understand? So by the time you subscribe, you're encouraging me. And you're trying to make me, because it's like getting there. I don't have much people. I know there are a lot of us that are there. Thank you all so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. And for those of you that are sharing my content, on Facebook, when I go just share and share and share and share, and God bless you. Man, not bring Sister Osas into this place now. Might still be Princess Peters. Okay, let me just maintain myself to be Princess Peters. Because by the time I call bring Sister Osas, I go get away all day. You don't understand. So let me not bring it. Let me not just bring Sister Osas. Let me be Princess, because Princess is talking right now, not Sister Osas. Okay. So when you get there, just subscribe, you see it. So all the challenges, I believe, I mean the challenge that we're going to do with ESOG, I believe we understand perfectly. And those that want me to wish their mother happy Mother's Day, I believe we all understand. Thank you all so much. I really celebrate you guys. Keep enjoying ESOG, keep celebrating your mother. And I want to see all videos flying tomorrow saying happy Mother's Day to your beloved mother. Even if you're not with her, post a picture. Huh? Celebrate your wife. And you mothers, celebrate yourself. You deserve to be celebrated. If you don't celebrate yourself, nobody will just celebrate you. So celebrate yourself so that you can attract other people to celebrate you. You understand? So let's just pray a little before I sign out. Thank you all so much. I don't know whether the way the song they do me, they do it. If I remember everything my mama did for me, my dear, this song will be more emotional to me. All right, thank you to every one of you. I celebrate you all. It's about the time for me to say I want to go, but I'm missing you guys already. Thank you so much. The song is out on all digital platforms. It's on my YouTube channel, and please hurry there. Go see the video, go see the song, go share it, go subscribe, go do everything. And I'm expecting your WhatsApp messages and also the challenge. God bless you all. I love you all. I love you. God bless you. God bless you. It's time to say bye. Hey, Basoha, I love you guys too. God bless you. I'm signing out. God bless you. Thank you.